Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifoma Ada. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching my video, and if this is not your first time, you're also welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying it, and please watch this video till the end. So today's video will be about my 5 most affordable skincare products that I use on my face. So the 5 products I'll be showing you basically covers a moisturizer, a cleanser, a toner, and a sunscreen. So the first product I'll be showing you will be this, the K-Brother USA soap, and it helps for black spots. So if you are someone struggling with black spots, and it also has extra whitening. So if you're trying to like tone your face a bit, this soap is like a go-to, and it's very affordable. I've been using this soap for about a year plus now, and it has done wonders for my face. As it is on the pack, it comes with extra whitening with 100% pure carrot extract. The major reason why I use this product is because of the carrot extract. As we all know, carrot has a lot of skin benefits. It helps with whitening, it helps with black spots, it helps with pimples and acne. So if you are someone struggling with that, this has been helpful to me, so obviously it will be helpful. And another thing it has niacinamide. So niacinamide is also one of the major thing this product has infused in it. So if you'd like to try this product, it's a very good one and it has helped me. So this is what I use. Firstly, I use this as my soap for bathing and for my face. But the only thing is that I don't use the same soap I use for my face for my body. So I like section it so that a portion of it goes for my face and another portion is for my body. So I don't mix the two. So yeah, that's what I use. Get this at the price of 600 or 700. Yeah, so it's between that range, 600 to 700. So you can get this. So the next product I want to talk about is the Clean and Clear Exfoliating Daily Wash. It has natural exfoliators which unblock pores and help prevent breakouts. But you can testify to the Johnson & Johnson Clean and Clear products. They are always so good and they are really affordable. You can get this at the price of 2,000 to 3,000. Yeah, I got mine at the price of 2,000. But if you're not so lucky to get from a store where they sell really cheap and affordable, you might get it at the price of 3,000 or 3,500. So it's also very good for sensitive skin. I have a sensitive skin, but I don't use this every day. I don't use this every day because of the exfoliators it has. So I just use this once or twice a week and it gives me the results I want. It helps unclog my pores basically, and it also helps with uneven skin tone. So if you are struggling with your pores, unclogging your pores, removal of dirt, you can try this out. It might work for some people every day, but for me it doesn't. I use this once or twice a week. The next product I'll be showing you is the Nivea Perfect and Even Tone 3-in-1 micellar water. This micellar water is bliss. I have 2 of this. I got them together, but I'm almost done with this one. So this product cleans, it removes makeup, and it refreshes and tone, and it also have vitamin E and pro-vitamin B5. I use this as a cleanser and it's really good. It smells really nice. Yeah, so you can use this as your cleanser if you can buy the really expensive ones. So this is very affordable. It goes for the price of 3,000 to 3,500. Yeah, I think that's the price. So you can try this out. It's really good and affordable. So the next product I'll be showing you is sunscreen. If I would waver on anything, I can't waver on sunscreen. So I use the Altruist dermatologist sunscreen, SPF 50. SPF 50. Like, SPF, the amount of SPF in a sunscreen is so very much important. So because it protects you from sun rays. So sun rays do a lot of damage to the skin. If at the end of the day you use so many products and you still enter the sun every day, there's a big chance that your product might not work, or even if it works, it might not give you the best results you are expecting. This sunscreen, or sunscreen in general, is very important and is a necessary or a necessity for your skincare routine. And you apply this last after each product has been applied. Even if you're at home, you still need to use your sunscreen. Yes, so sunscreen, very important. So the other product I use is coconut oil. So you don't have to apply this in a generous amount, just a little, and it's good to go. You just need a small amount of this to work, and I use this as my moisturizer. So even if you can't afford the other brands of moisturizer that are also good, you can use coconut oil, and it's really affordable. This is actually 100 ml, and it's Orekelewa organic coconut oil. It's 100 ml, and it retails at, I think, 650 or 700 thereabouts. When I got it, I don't know if the price has changed, but that's the price. Those are my 5 most affordable skincare products. I hope this video has helped you. I hope you can pick one of them and use. The thing about skincare, you don't have to start big. If you're waiting to buy the most expensive products, you might not end up starting a skincare routine, and your skin is what sells you out. Your skin sells you out all the time, so you have to take care or pamper your skin. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and please leave a comment. You can tell me what products you've been using which has also helped you. You don't know, it might also help me, or it might help any other person watching. And you can also tell me the prices of these products if you have also tried them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.